In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the cannot use content error and restore licenses on your PS5. If this guide does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, make sure to ask them down in the comment section below because I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there and I can help you out further. Now, the most important step is to make sure that your PS5 is set as your primary console for this. To do this, go ahead and go to your home screen and go up to the top right, and you're going to see this little settings gear. Open that up and then select users and accounts. In this menu, you need to go to the other tab all the way down at the very bottom and select it, and then choose console sharing and offline play. If the button does say enable within here, go ahead and select it, and this is going to activate console sharing. If it says disabled, that means it's already on and you can move to the next step. Now from here, stay in the other menu and go to this Restore Licenses tab and select it and choose Restore to actually start this process. You're going to want to select whatever game you're actually getting the error for, or you can also just select all of them. It's completely up to you. But this is going to often fix issues where your console says you can't use the content that you've already bought. Once that restoration is complete, try opening that game again and it should now work without the error. But that's it. It's a quick and easy fix for the cannot use content error. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and I can help you out further. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. With all notifications on, it just really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.